Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Motor Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. If your car does not start, check your battery. Again, I repeat, check your battery. Your battery needs 12.5 volts to start this vehicle. When you try to start a vehicle, it needs 9 volts, which is a load. When you hit that key, you're putting a load on the battery and it's going to draw down to 9. If your surface charge is below 12 volts, it takes 5 volts for anything inside your vehicle to actually work inside the car. It takes a minimum of 9 volts to actually crank this engine over. So if you continuously jump in your car over and over again, it is 9 times out of 10 is the battery. The only thing an alternator does is charge the battery. If you check your battery and you have a surface charge of say 9 to 11 volts, it's not your alternator. Your battery would have withdrew itself and would have been 0 volts. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow.